Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video, I'm just gonna take you guys a day in my life. This is the summer edition because normally a day in my life means that we be at work and teaching, but it's summer. I'm off for the summer, and so yeah, just spend a day with us around the house, and if we choose to go out and do anything, just join us. Deep down in here somewhere, there is some acai packets. Still haven't made my oxtails. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. There's some acai packets in here. I'm on the way to make these. Me a smoothie bowl. Get some hot water. Acai packets have to soak in here so they can go out. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and get the rest of it together. Alright, so I done broke out a sweat cleaning the oven. So that's what I've been doing for like the last 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna get ready to put this pool up. So we were gonna take a walk downtown to the bookstore that they have downtown because I have three gift cards. Both two of them are worth 20 and then another one is worth 10. So $50 to use at this bookstore. So I'm just gonna put up this pool. outside for the kids to just have some fun. They can bring out some water toys, food, whatever. All right, so yeah, let me get that blown up. Okay, so pool's up. It's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get that outside since it's just me. I don't mind it. Turn it on its side. Boom. The pool is still kind of filling up out here. Just set it out. Y'all, it's hot out here. So I'm gonna get ready to go get my chair to sit in while the kids are playing. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 towels and an umbrella.